Yo, what's up? It's me again, and for today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a move similar to Supernova, where you can spawn a orb. When you press R, it explodes, and it also destroys buildings like this. And this isn't a tutorial for like trying to make a projectile where you can put it in one spot and then you can explode it. I tried making that for like 2 hours straight. I couldn't find anything that worked, but I tried making it. I used twice, but it just places the same thing down, like it doesn't work. And it's all because they added the cache feature. Anyways, on to the tutorial. Okay, so in your character block, what we're gonna do is add a skill. We're gonna name it Supernova. Inside your skill, what we're gonna do is add a visual, set it to sphere, and then set the position to something like 008, so it's like in front of us. And then set the time to how long you want the orb to last. I'm just gonna do like 3 seconds. Then set the visual tag to orb. After that, we're gonna add a tag block. Set the tag to explode. Set the value to 2. And then set the time to how long you set for the visual tag. So mine's gonna be 3. And that's gonna be it for the skill. Next, we're gonna add a new skill or a special, depends on you. I'm just gonna do a skill. I'm gonna name this skill detonate. Inside your skill, what we're gonna do is add a tag block. Set the tag block to explode. Set the value to 2. Set the time to something really big. Turn on check. Turn off these two. And then set the branch to explode. Now we're gonna make a new branch called explode. In the explode branch, what we're gonna do is add a visual, set it to cancel, and then set the projectile tag to orb. After that, we're gonna add a tag block, set it to explode, and then set the value to 1, and then turn off these two. After that, we're gonna add a projectile block, set it to explode, set the position to the same as before, so it's gonna be 008. Set the size to, let's do 12, 12, 12. Make sure to set the speed to 0. After that, we're gonna set the time to something really low. I'm just gonna do 0.125. Then set the damage to whatever you want. I'm gonna do 7. And then set the debris to something like 2. So it destroys the environment. After that, we're gonna add a visual block again. Set it to sphere. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make it red. And make sure to not change the position, because instead what we're gonna do is connect it to the projectile tag. Set the projectile tag to explode. After that, we're gonna make a new branch called hit. And what we're gonna do is click this camera button, go to hit and then paste it, but then remove everything except the sphere visual. And then go back to your explode branch, go to your projectile block, and then connect the branch and branch collided to the hit. Then after that, we should be done. Let's test it out. As you can see, if I press 1, it spawns an orb. If I press 2, it becomes red. Then if I detonate it to a wall, it explodes. I'm just gonna spawn a dummy here so you can see better. And it does the damage. And lastly, as you can see, if I use the 1, if I waited for it to run out, now the orb's gone. If I press 2, nothing happens. But if I do it while the orb is there, it's gonna explode. I don't really know what this could be used for, but you know, I guess it's cool. Now some of you might be wondering, how do you put the explode and detonate in the same tag so I don't have to use like 2 moves, right? So it's gonna be really easy. Just go to your character block, go to your Supernova skill, make a new tag block, set it to explode, set the value to 2, then set the time to infinity, then set it to check, and set the branch to explode. This basically checks whenever you use the Supernova move if it should explode it or not. In our new explode branch, we're just gonna go back to our detonate skill, then use the camera button and then paste it into our Supernova skill instead. And then make a new branch called hit. Copy this, then only leave the visual. And after that, it should work. Press 1, if I press 1 again, it explodes. As you can see, this is the damage, it explodes everywhere. And yeah, that's basically gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Mambo, mambo, お祭りマンボウダブダブゆらゆらお祭りマンボウ